Hello class, today I am going to talk on wireless connectivity such as CC 3100 and 3200. So, in your syllabus we have to talk only about this 3100 wireless connectivity. So, we will go for this and not for 3200. So, as we already have defined all the things related to the wireless connectivity, we have seen different technology related to it. So, today we are going to discuss about this CC 3100, that is the Internet of Things, which made simple and it can be connected anywhere, any electronic device, whatever you like to, a battery driven technical your electronic gadget can be connected. So, 3100 is a you can say next generation, that is simple Wi-Fi solution. Now, we see in this slide, it is basically the slide of Texas Instrument. So, we can go through for 3100 wireless connectivity. Here we can see that TI. Now you can see the world broadest wireless portfolio of TI, that is Texas Instrument, and this Texas Instrument has broadest portfolio in this industry. You see in this figure, it ranges from NFC, RFID identification to personal area network PAN through Bluetooth and Bluetooth low power, then for 2.4 gigahertz customizable, again from PAN to LAN, that is local area network. In that we have already discussed about Zigbee and 6 low PAN, Wi-Fi, and then proprietary sub 1 gigahertz customizable. So, these are the TI broadest range. Now, you can see these all technologies have key difference, like you see some technologies do not contain battery, and when extending to another range you can see it is using battery also, such as AAA battery to AA battery and coin cells also. Now, there are some key attributes, like in NFC you can see it has low or no power, it is driver apps, then you see Bluetooth which is based on IOP and it large install base in mobile devices, again customizable to application and it is robust. Then for Zigbee you can see it has standardized mesh, large area coverage, then 6 low PAN, it has ultra low power IoT platform, and then you see Wi-Fi existing which has which has high throughput and infrastructure, and finally for 1 gigahertz customizable, there you can see longest range and it is a customer based application, again it is robust. So, these are the various you can see broadcast wireless portfolio related to TI. Now, moving to the next slide, we see here for Wi-Fi portion and their connectivity portfolio. Here you see connecting application with Texas Instrument Wi-Fi. We have basically two type of link. First one is Wi-Fi link and the another one is simple link. So, in this Wi-Fi link you can see there are two type of chips. First is WL183 and another one is WL180. So, for highest performance and integration we use WL183 mode, which is basically Wi-Fi, and then you see Bluetooth or low power Bluetooth combos you can use, and this is attached to MPUs, your microprocessor unit, that is Citara, and it has some TI certified module also. Again you go for 180, then that can be used for highest performance in Y-Link. So, it has Wi-Fi, you can attach to MPUs, and again it has TI certified module. So, in this you can see here the few examples related to it, that is portable consumer and enterprise, automotive, connected home, smart energy, health, etc. Similarly, you can see for simple link it has CC 3100 and CC 3200. So, simple link we are going to discuss detail about CC 3100, which has basically Wi-Fi network processor, in which you will see it has internet on a chip solution, integrated Wi-Fi, internet and security protocols attached to MCU. MCU again, this is microprocessor unit, and in advance we can see 3200, that is wireless MCU. Now you are connecting here MCU, but it is wireless. So it has same feature as 3100, but it has extra, that has customer programmable Cortex M4 MCU. Again you can see the example in simple link, that are home automation, smart energy, connected appliance, machine to machine communication, health and fitness, etc. So, these are the various examples which we see for wireless connectivity in WireLink and Simple Link. So, basically we have to go for CC 3100, that is internet on a chip. So, you see it has a chip which has got a internet on a chip made by manufacturer industries, and you see here it has integrated Wi-Fi, internet and security protocols which is inbuilt on that 3100 chip. Now, we see here the simple link Wi-Fi CC 3100 and CC 3200, that brings here industry's first single chip Wi-Fi solution with built-in programmable MCU. Means the industry make this chip inbuilt chip. It has all the program in it and all the Wi-Fi solution, security protocol which is already given in this chip when it is manufactured. Now the second point here we see it has ability to run on 2 AA batteries for over a year. Now again you can see with the battery related issue, it means we use very low power. Since we are using very low power, it will go for a longer time. So it bringing the capabilities of Wi-Fi to battery operated in equipment. Now again the third point, that is related, all you need to easily create IoT solution, that is Internet of Things solution, that is robust, security, quick connection, cloud support and many more. So these are the properties which Texas Instruments are adding in CC 3100 as well as in CC 3200. Now moving to the next slide, you can see here the two different figure related to CC 3100 and CC 3200. Both are IOC, means internet on a chip, means chip made with all the security protocol internet measure. Now we are going for CC 3100, so we are going to discuss the left side figure which is basically for CC 3100. So these devices are 2-pin compatible product based on the same Wi-Fi network processor. This CC 3100 internet on a chip Wi-Fi network processor are embedded with TCP IP stack for system using external low cost MCU. So here you can see in this figure it has RAM on a chip. When company manufacture, what it contain on 3100 CC, you can see it has RAM. It relate to the memory, you can see random access memory, read only memory, and then you see there crypto engine, crypto again related to your security measure. Again then you see there are SPI and UART for communication purpose, and then there is a oscillator with the system for frequency, and in the left side you can see network processor, Wi-Fi driver, MAC processor, baseband and RF. So these are the basic thing which company provide while manufacturing CC3100. Now moving to the next slide, here we see different simple link, that is simple link means related to the 3100. This simple link Wi-Fi, what it provides solution, we can see different features and benefit, and with that we can see design kit and then tools and software related to it. Now in this we can see its features and benefit. First of all, it supported protocols and roles, that we can see different station access point, Wi-Fi, direct and fully integrated radio, baseband and MAC. Again Wi-Fi network processor, that you can see on chip, WLAN and TCP IP stack, industry standard API. No previous Wi-Fi experience is needed when you are connecting through 3100. Then next point you can see here, it is based on embedded crypto engine. Crypto again here for security purpose, allows fast secure connection. And then finally you got here low power, it means it has low power radio with advanced low power modes enabling battery powered Wi-Fi. Again you see the battery 2A for a long time, over a year you can run that Wi-Fi device. These design kits and EVM on a chip, you can see it has CC3100 boost pack, and again you can see boost pack with MSP 430. These are the different chip, you can connect it with your device computer to make gadget all IoT based and wireless connectivity you can get it. So here you can see there are tools and software. It has flexible provisioning, that means you get the program on a chip and from there you can connect it or program it on a different mode. Again it has RF performance, and then you can download different software for updating it related to its driver and other apps. Then you see Simple Link Studio, and that is micro MCU on a PC, means you can make your personal computer as a microprocessor for IoT based wireless connectivity. Now here again you see the different target applications such as home automation. For that you can see different example like lighting, access control, home appliance like washer, dryer, refrigerator, as I have already given you example of refrigerator. Then you can see safety and security like wireless camera, video surveillance you are having in your room or outside your home. Then smart energy for smart meter, thermostat control, smart plug. And then you see industrial M2M communication, that is machine to machine communication such as web interface, industrial control. And again the final point, wireless audio streaming such as real time, you can go for speaker, remote control, sound and etc. So these are various field where you can use CC3100 wireless connectivity. Now again here you see some products highlighted related to CC3100 and CC3200. These are next generated embedded simple link Wi-Fi family and connecting new classes of device to the IoT. These are cost effective, secure and it consume low power. So we can discuss for cost effective. Here you see it is highly, in this highly integrated you see it has 2.4 gigahertz embedded Wi-Fi, embedded TCP IP stack, integrated apps, MCU. It has low cost for hardware design and it has quick software development. And then you see secure, where secure protocols, different secure protocol you can see for personal enterprises, and TLS. It has on chip hardware encryption for real time encryption, fast TLS connection. And then finally you see here low power, that low power radio and low power modes that runs on 2 AA batteries over a year. So these are the some key point related to CC3100 for cost effective, secure and low power. Now again you see these are some benefit related to CC3100, 3200 for IoT, Internet of Things. You see here these are industry standard and based on API for TCP IP communication. It has small driver footprint, again crypto engine, low power radio and advanced low power mode, most flexible, and it has TI module certified. These all are, we can see in the right side in detail. These all key points bring you build internet application quickly, reuse industrial available internet code, enable integration with low cost, establish TLS communication within a second or millisecond, again Wi-Fi sensor that stay connected for the network over a year, again it enables customer to set up headless device easily and fast, and finally it has fast time to market, save customer over test cost and test time per product family. Then you can see here it has been shown the connectivity of 3100. In this figure you can see you can connect 3100 or 3200 with a serial flash and MCU. In the chip you can see it is connected with the serial flashes, and then you see here a network processor, customer application, and then M4 application processor, application stored on serial flash. These are different module solution which are coming. So these things you can easily go for with your chip 3100 to connect all your electronic device wireless. Now we can see here market trends which are driving Wi-Fi growth. Some points like home and building automation, bringing intelligence and convenience and lifestyle. In the right side you can see different figures related with this home and building automation. Then for the next example we can go for smart energy, like adding power awareness to product and helping to save energy. Overall whatever your home appliance related with your electricity, you can go for smart energy, conserving it. You can store it or you can use less energy, and such example are shown on the right side. Then again for the multimedia, that is wireless audio streaming and advanced remote control. Finally there are two more points related with it, security and safety, that improves remote control and home monitoring. Nowadays as we can see we are having a corona, so here we can use security and safety so that we can go for a long distance, we can monitor it and control it. Again there is industrial machine to machine communication, that is internet enhanced M2M communication using existing Wi-Fi infrastructure. So these are the market trends which are going present days. Now this is your next slide related to the simple link embedded Wi-Fi revolution. These are the traditional Wi-Fi solution that are designed for powerful microprocessor. This simple link 3100 or CC3200 moves nearly all functions required for Wi-Fi and networking of the host processor. These are less expertise, lower system cost, faster time to market. Again it has high MIPS memory MPU and simple link CC3100. In the figure you can see all the protocols related to it. We have discussed these all protocols in the previous lecture. Now we see the best in class security. It provides a lot of flexibility for on chip Wi-Fi security. You can see it has lots of Wi-Fi securities where we can choose personal enterprise or WPS2 or some more are given there. Again we can go for internet security, on chip internet security that are related with SSL 3.0, TLS 1.2 and many more. So these hardware encryption engine establish TLS SSL connection in within 200 meter second. So we can see we have a Wi-Fi security as well as internet security in CC 3100. Now in this we see these are most flexible Wi-Fi provisioning option. You can have a lot of access point, smart configure and WPS. There is which we can see here. What we need in access point mode, we need web browser, network supported, it can support any network. Again it has multiple step and number of device can be configured only one device. Again home network connection, phone must disconnect from home network before you are going to configure it. You have to disconnect it for the previous network. Again it is secured when while we are talking about access point mode. Now again we are going for another configuration, that is smart configuration. Here again we need Android mobile or iOS phone apps. Again it has most network, it has only one step and number of device connected, configure multiple device. Here phone stays connected to the home network and it is secured. Finally we go for WPS, which has push button on router and WPS enable router only. It has one step just to push button. It also configure one device only and it has network connection not available, and for security you see it is not secured as access point and smart configure. Even more provisioning option exist are coming soon in the market. Now I think this is the last or maybe next last slide. This is bringing Wi-Fi power to a new low network. You can see different module of always connected or temporary connected, which are basically related with your figure, and this is not very important slide, but you can you can go further for the advanced technology. Then again these are the various kits available in the market related to the 3100 and 3200 kits, but you have to go only for the 3100 because it is in your syllabus. Here you can see the description, the kit name, description and why to buy this kit. So these are different field where you relate it, and you can see that first one is CC 3200 launch one, and it has given money also. It description is 3200 launchpad, single chip internet, thing solution, integrated MCU, and why buy this want when you want to use wireless MCU, single chip internet on a chip. So here first of all you have to see why you are going to buy this, then only buy that particular kit related for your particular application. Now again we can see here these are software highlighted related to CC3100, that it can connect any MCU to the internet using Wi-Fi. Again it has embedded ROM featuring internet on a chip, and then internet and Wi-Fi application it made easy. Again it has different RTOs and IDE option. So finally we see in future we will see many more, but according to syllabus we have to go limited with CC3100